In order to register your property available for the refugees of the war in Ukraine, you can make a request in Renters United, which will be sent to the organization helping these people. So in order to do so, go to Bookings, New Reservation. Keep the reservation status in the request. That's good. Enter refugees as the first name, refugees as the last name, and put refugees at Renters United as their email, as the guest email. It's very important to make sure that it's refugees at Renters United. That's how we will be finding these available stays and then forwarding them to the organizations. You don't need to add any more guest data. Please select the property that you would like to make available. So first, the dates when the property is available, the property, the number of guests that it can sleep, save, and save. And that's all that needs to be done for a property to be registered to help the people affected by the war in Ukraine. Thank you very much for your participation.